Alright, so I've got to be at the airport in about 3 hours and I have absolutely nothing packed. I ordered a bunch of stuff online and none of it really worked out, so I had to run around town and try to find some pieces. And I really didn't find like everything that I wanted to find. I had some like outfit inspo pinned to Pinterest, and so there was like a few pieces that I was really trying to look for, and I couldn't find them. So we're just working with what I was able to find and kind of some things that I pulled out of my closet that just ended up working out. But anyways, I'm headed to Europe for about 10 days. I think it's really like 8 days of like sightseeing and whatnot, and then like 2 travel days. So we leave tonight and then we get to London tomorrow, like around noon, I believe. We have a small layover there, and then we get to Barcelona at like 7 or 8 o'clock at night, I believe. So those are kind of like 2 days, kind of just dedicated to travel. And then the next morning, we're gonna wake up and head to Madrid. So on this trip, we'll be going to Madrid, Sevilla, Lisbon, Portugal, and then Barcelona, because that's where we're flying back out of. So it should be really fun, but I definitely need to get packing. I'm going for like kind of like a minimalist type mix and match situation because I want to keep the weight of my suitcase down as much as possible, because I do want to do some Christmas shopping while we're out there. So I want to keep my suitcase relatively light so that way I have room for souvenirs and all that jazz. So I'm going to be bringing my large check-in Monos, my carry-on, and then my new Monos duffel bag. I just did an unboxing for the duffel bag. If you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave it right here and in the description box down below. And then if you're also interested in seeing my suitcases being unboxed, I've also done a video for that, which will be linked down below as well. But anyways, I guess I should get started with actually putting some of this stuff in a suitcase. But I'll quickly show you like the vibes, like what I'm going for. Alright, so here are kind of like all of my bottoms. I have 3 skirts. This one's kind of like a mini skirt, this one's a midi skirt, and then this one is kind of in between a midi and a maxi. I got this off of Shein. This one I think I got off of Amazon a while back, and then I got this one at Nordstrom Rack. And then I have a pair of black Old Navy jeans, and then also these black leather leggings. I really wanted to bring a pair of blue denim with me, but I just couldn't find any that I really liked. And the ones in my closet aren't great either. So this is what we're working with as far as bottoms go. All right, and then I also have a couple of dresses. I have this gray, like kind of t-shirt dress, which I feel like will be really cute with like some combat boots and tights and my leather jacket, which I'll show you later. All right, and then I also have this really cute plaid dress. I just picked this up from H&M. Again, I'm thinking tights, my docs, and that leather jacket. And then lastly, I have this black sweater dress. I don't even remember where I got this from. I think I might have got it from ASOS last winter. If I can find something similar, I will link it down below. I will try to link everything that I can find online. But yeah, so I have this sweater dress. And then there's another dress I want to bring, but I can't find it right now. So if I can find it in the midst of packing, I will bring it. But yeah, those are the 3 dresses I'm planning on bringing as of now. Okay, and then I'm bringing 3 pieces of outerwear. I have this amazing like faux leather coat that I just got from Zara a few weeks ago. It is literally so cute, guys. It is like the perfect oversized jacket look, and I just love it so much. It's so cute. I'm planning on wearing this with like 95% of my outfits, I'd probably say. But yeah, it's just super cute, and it's like, honestly, it's actually the first piece that I've ever bought from Zara. Their stuff tends to run small, and I just feel like I could never fit it, but then I saw this leather jacket, and it was like an oversized fit, and they had it in an extra large, and it fits amazing. So, love this. Then I'm also going to be bringing this tan blazer. I know this is like not all that warm or anything, but it looks really good, like over sweaters and like with jeans and stuff, and it's like perfectly oversized. I got this at H&M a while back. So this is a older piece. And then I also just got this amazing like wool blend coat from H&M. So it's really long and it's oversized and it's amazing. So yeah, so this is the other like heavier outerwear piece that I'm bringing with me. Normally I wouldn't be wearing this with biker shorts and a t-shirt, but just for the sake of throwing this on really quickly, just to give you an idea, I'm 5'8.5", and it hits me at mid-calf. So it's a very good jacket. There's enough room in the sleeves for like a sweater or whatever. So yeah, I'm really excited to wear this baby. This is one of the pieces that I really wanted, based off of like the Pinterest outfits that I was like pinning. So yeah, a black kind of like overcoat was a key piece. So I got this one. I got him for $75, I think. Yeah, he was $75 at H&M, and then I had some soft coupons, so, you know, saved $7 on him. So yeah, those are the jackets that I'm going to be bringing. And then as for tops, I'm mainly bringing sweaters because it's going to be like in the 50s, 40s while we're there. So I'm mainly bringing sweaters. So I have this black turtleneck one from H&M, which is super cute. It's not cropped and it's not quite like long and oversized, but it looks good with the skirts that I'm bringing. And then I also got this white, kind of like, it's kind of a sweater material. It's knitted, but it's not like super thick. So just in case there's like a day or somewhere where it's not super cold, I can wear this one. I'm planning on wearing this with my leather leggings and my boots and my leather jacket. It looks really good together. I saw, it's kind of like Pinterest inspired. I'll pop a photo here if I remember to do so, of the outfit that this kind of inspired, or I guess the outfit that inspired this purchase. So yeah, so I got that one. And then I've got this kind of mock neck knit sweater. This one again is from H&M. I love H&M sweaters, guys. They are so good. Like, for being like mid-size, bigger girl, there's no one that kind of does it like them for me. Like, I can go in there and pretty much grab any extra large and it'll fit, which is nice. Especially in the sweaters, like they're always like so perfectly just like oversized and long enough for like to wear with leggings and stuff. So I feel like this is gonna be cute with a bunch of the different bottoms that I'm bringing. So I have like minimal tops, but I figured I could like mix it. I have minimal tops, but I figured that I could mix and match them with the different bottoms to create like all the outfits that I need for like while we're there. And then I have this little cropped sweater. It's like this nice kind of like oatmeal knit, which is super cute. It looked really good with the that floral print skirt. It looked really cute with that, and it'll also look cute with the other shorter skirt that I'm bringing. And then this one is not a sweater. This is a kind of just like long sleeve cropped, I don't know what you would say, cropped collared shirt. I figured I could like tuck this into something. This is something that I've like bought a while ago and just never got around to wearing. So I figured, why not bring it for this trip? And then I'm also going to be bringing this cream colored hoodie. I wore this not last year, in January to Finland. It looks really cute, layered under like different jackets and coats. So I'm planning on wearing this like under my like leather jacket maybe one day for like an outfit, and then even under like that long black coat. I think this will be like a super cute layered look. And then lastly for tops, actually not lastly, but almost lastly, I have this like thermal long sleeve. I have two of them. I need to see if I can find the other one, but I'm planning on wearing these under like some of my sweaters. If it's colder than I don't think I'm gonna need this honestly, but I rather, you know, have it just in case it is a little nippy, that I have something to throw under some of my layers to give me a little bit more warmth. And then the last shirt that I'm gonna bring is this just oversized white boyfriend tee. I feel like, again, this will look good with like my leggings that I'm bringing, as well as like my jeans and stuff. And it's, you know, as much as I love to dress kind of like cute and like different than my usual like at home style, like this is kind of what I usually look like at home. When I travel, I try to like, you know, do it up, and just, you know, dress, I think, how I'd like to dress in my everyday, but, you know, it's for a set amount of time, so it makes it easier, if that makes sense. I don't know. Anyways, I always love a good t-shirt, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring this one with me as well. For shoes, I'm bringing my trusty Docs. These are so great. I wore these like pretty much the entire time I was in Finland, and like my feet didn't hurt, and they have good grip on them, so if there's like any like slippery bits, it's really, really good. So bringing these. And then I also just picked up these kind of like heeled combat boots. They are from the brand called Mia, but I just feel like these are super cute. I like the like heel on these because I feel like it kind of dresses it up. It's not so casual. So like when we go out to a couple of the cocktail bars that we're planning on going to, I was planning on wearing these. Also with some of my skirts and dresses, these look better than the Docs do. So yeah, these are super cute. They were super affordable, like $50 at Nordstrom Rack. I will leave them linked down in the description box because I did see these online as well as in store. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I've got to pack. Now it's just time to pack it. Again, I will probably do some shopping while we're out there because it might not be minimal to you guys, but this is pretty minimal for me. I usually have like 101 options, and like this is probably the least amount that I've packed in I don't even know how long. So yeah, I will probably be doing some shopping while I'm out there to pick up a few more pieces. So normally I would wear this coat and pack this one because it's lighter, but there's literally so little stuff here, guys, that I think I can get away with putting this heavier coat in the suitcase. Honestly, because I just don't want to wear this around Phoenix. Like, it's definitely not cold enough here right now to warrant this jacket. So I feel like I'd rather travel in the leather one and then pack this one away. So I'm gonna weigh my suitcase later because I did buy a like at-home like luggage scale thingy. So I'll weigh it. If it's too heavy, then I'll swap out the coat for that one. But for right now, we're gonna pack this guy. So I pretty much got everything packed. I put my extra boots here, my hats and belt and accessories, my scarves, that other coat, my curling iron and my straightener, and then also put in my headbands right here, and then I have underwear. I need to get some socks. I'm just remembering that. And then on this side, I have the rest of my clothes. I just folded the blazer on top of everything, along with these sweaters. I find that when you roll them, I feel like they take up a lot more space than if you just let them like lay flat and then kind of just like compress the air out of them with everything else. So all of that stuff is there. And then I have my 2 packing cubes underneath all of this. All right, so that's pretty much it for my check luggage. I am now remembering though, I want to grab my black like tight fitted turtleneck if I can find it. I have no idea where it is. I need to pack my carry-on and everything else before I go looking for missing items. But that's pretty much it for my checked bag. I think this honestly might be my lightest checked luggage ever, guys. We'll see when I put it on the or like do the pull test with the luggage scale. Sorry guys, my brain is like but yeah, now I just gotta pack up all of my toiletries and my carry-on, my computer equipment, my camera equipment, and then that is pretty much it. It is 4:10 right now, so making good time. I have about 2 hours to get all the rest of that stuff packed, which shouldn't take me very long at all, so your girl's doing good. Okay, so I just had to run to Target because I realized I didn't have any like travel size lotion or anything, so I got some lotion, some shaving cream, a little body wash, some tissues, because I always just buy these whenever I travel because there's nothing worse than needing a Kleenex and you don't have one. And then lastly, I got this Liquid IV Hydration Plus Immunity. I've never had this one before. I drink the regular Liquid IV, but I figured since we're flying, we could use a little bit of the immunity support. So I'm gonna pack these in my carry-on as well. And then I also grabbed my Amazon package out of the mail. So I'm glad I thought to do that Target one because I would have forgot this package in the mail. But it just has some camera equipment as well as my travel umbrella because it's supposed to potentially be like raining when we're in Spain. So I got a little mini travel umbrella, and then I also got, hold on, as I fight with the box, and then I also got this like flip stick thing, and you're supposed to just stick it to the back of your phone, and then you can like stick your phone to any surface. So I wanted to film some like TikToks and some reels while we're there, so I felt like this would be a good little way to do so without having to like pull out a full-on tripod, but I am bringing that as well. And then the other thing I got was this little like, adapter for my camera. It's supposed to give you like a wider lens. And then I also got this little like not hot shoe. What is this? It's a little metal plate for the bottom of my ZV-1 so that I can change my battery without having to fully take off my tripod or whatever I'm carrying the camera with. Oh, I forgot I got this. And then I also got a travel makeup mirror. It lights up and everything, so if we're gonna be taking train rides and stuff, so I can do my makeup on the train instead of doing it in the room. And then here's that little travel tripod that I was speaking of. All right, so let me just show you the current situation. What's in the bag? Hold on. There was something else in the bag, I think. Oh, yes. And then I also got this little hand lotion from Target as well. So I'll quickly show you kind of like the situation. This is kind of everything left to pack. So this is kind of the stuff I just got from Target, stuff I pulled out. This is my makeup bag that I'm going to be carrying with me on this trip. And then I'm going to bring this little black bag. It's good for like going out and stuff because you can just put your wallet and your phone in it. And then I also have my electronic bags over here, which this just has, it's going to have my portable charger in here. And then this one, I carry my computer charger, my external hard drive, my camera charger, my adapters, other chargers, and all that jazz. That probably sounded really fast, but I've got to pack all this stuff in about 30 minutes, which should be no problem because I packed all the rest of it in about an hour. So I just gotta finish putting the stuff in my duffel bag, put a few things in my carry-on, get dressed, and then it'll be time to head to the airport. I'll check back in with you guys when it's all said and done.